like I said to you before, give my name out if you want. I don't care if I talk to 10, 20 people. I'm going to just tell them how great you are based on our long history working together and how you guys are personally involved with this like nothing else. That is really one of the key pieces that makes what you have here so much better than the competition. You're not dealing with, bots or, support that never gets back to you, or you wait on hold forever, or you wait 4 days for a reply. I mean, you guys are hands-on, and I'm telling you that in and of itself, you're way a cut above the rest. And I think people need to know that. I think there's so much frustration out there with the way things are these days, trying to get help on virtually anything. That is really a niche, and that's irreplaceable. I mean, they're just not going to get that with anybody else. Not to mention the deluxe system that you guys have built here. It's really extraordinary. So if I can just give them the 5-star review, I'll 100% on board to help you with that.
Thank you so much, Don.
Oh,
Appreciate it.
absolutely. Yeah, put it out there. I mean it. I mean, I will help you with that. And like if they say they have questions, I don't know, this might be crazy, but you might think about, I'm sure you've got a couple of other real advocates, probably a good number of them, but you might get permission ahead of time for just, 3, 4, 5 of us and be able to have some sort of a placard or some sort of a, whatever, some way to just easily hand this off to people and just say, well, here's, 5 agents you can contact. They'll be happy to tell you about their great experience with us and just give our information out. I mean, just a thought, but it can't hurt, you might get some more business from that.
That's a great idea.